So ASUS Philippines just sent us a crate. Yes, pinapahirapan po nila ako mag-unbox. Inside is their newest laptop. Hi guys, my name is Joseph from Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Vivobook S16. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. We make unboxing videos as well as other tech and lifestyle content. Click nyo na din ang notification bell to get notified pag may bagong videos tayo. For full disclosure, pinahiram lang to ni ASUS PH, but I will be honest about my impression and review which will be published soon. Let's start on what it comes out with out of the box. Upon opening, we find the laptop itself, but tabi na muna natin siya. Andito din ang user guide and warranty information. And of course, it's 65-watt USB charger. I was also inspecting the box, then nakita ko to. It seems you can recycle the inner box and turn it into a laptop riser. I actually appreciate this from ASUS. It shows their dedication to sustainability and minimizing their environmental impact. Now check naman natin ang device. Ito yung matte gray colorway ng Vivobook S16. This is the S3607C variant pala. Its top has a smooth surface with the engraved ASUS Vivobook branding here off center. Personally, I really like how sleek and minimalist it looks. The metallic finish and its slim and portable body makes it look very sexy. Now the device has a large trackpad which is perfect for productivity. It enhances user experience as well as a comfortable navigation. Meron din siyang special coating that resists fingerprints. For its keys, it has a typical chiclet keyboard in a 90% layout. May dedicated copilot key din siya for easy access to your AI companion. For the display naman, may 16-inch IPS-Level screen siya. It's a WUXGA display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, so may malaking vertical space siya. This extra screen real estate makes it an ideal device for creatives. May 144Hz refresh rate din siya for smooth, crisp visuals. Color accuracy and deep contrast are great as well, almost as good as OLED. To complement the display is its speakers that's located below the sides. It's loud and clear enough when watching movies and videos on Netflix or YouTube. Medyo kulang lang yung soundstage and bass for me when it comes to listening to music. For video editing though, medyo decent naman. But I do suggest using earbuds or a headset for tasks requiring good audio. Webcam quality is just okay. Not streaming quality great, but good enough for Zoom meetings. It's pretty bright, but may konting noise lang even on decent lighting. May LED indicator din siya sa gilid to show that it is in use, as well as a security cover when not in use naman. For I/O ports, it doesn't have a lot but enough for a few peripherals. Meron siyang 2 USB Type-A ports, one on each side. Meron din siyang 2 USB Type-C ports where one is used for charging. HDMI port for an external monitor, and lastly, an audio jack. The new Vivobook comes in different variants, each powered by different chips. This particular variant comes with an Intel Core Ultra 2 series processor. On paper, it has 28+% better performance than its predecessor. Sa initial use ko, it actually feels snappy and smooth. Actually, I used the Vivobook S16 when editing this video, and I didn't experience any hiccups at all. I will further test its performance during my review, so do check it out. ASUS also boasts about its battery life, which itetest natin on the review. Aside from the Intel Core Ultra Series 2, the device is also equipped with Intel Arc graphics, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD storage. You can check its specs on the screen. Just pause the video. The Vivobook S16 S3607C is now available here in the Philippines. You can get it for 65,995 pesos. And depending kung saan nyo bibili ng device, you could score exclusive bundles. Kasali na dito yung ASUS Nereus backpack. That's it for my unboxing and impressions of the Vivobook S16. Full review will be on written form over at DavaoGeekHub.com. Link will be on the description box when it's up. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Once again, this has been Joseph. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.